Let me see you move like that. Get up on your feet and groove like that. Cha-cha, real smooth like that. Make everybody shook when you do it like that. Footloose in my brand new shoes. All my moves need camera crews. I glide, I float, now watch me cruise. Top down, baby, I'ma raise the roof. Big shot, I wake him up like a coffee. Drip too clean, the fit stay saucy. Big stacks, my pockets are lofty. Speak facts, everybody wanna copy. Let me see you move like that. Get up on your feet and groove like that. Cha-cha, real smooth like that. Make everybody shook when you do it like that. Let me see you move like that. Like what? Like that. Let me see you move like that. Like what? Just like that.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Mary here, and if you are new, you are going to want to subscribe after seeing this video. Let me tell y'all, I'm about to show y'all like 2 or 3 viral hacks that are so good for installing a V-part wig. Right now my hair needs to be washed, and I'm a little embarrassed to say this, but I have not washed my hair since I got my silk press because I have been hanging on to this stretched hair. So this is what it looks like currently, and I feel like it's prepped very well for installing a V-part. The back is more stretched than the front because I have been doing a half wig little situation. But let's get into this V-part wig, y'all. The one that I'm going to show you is from Nadula Hair. I love Nadula Hair. I have so many of their wigs, especially their half wigs. They're so good. This one right out of the package was so impressive to me because it was actually color 1B and the curls were so beautiful. This unit is in the Jerry Curly texture. It's in 150% density and it's also in length 22. I feel like V-parts are so good on those days where you don't necessarily want to wash your hair, but you probably need to, and you just maybe need to refresh your leave out. They are so perfect. And these can actually be worn without leave out. Now in this video, I am going to show you all how to do it with leave out, but I do have other videos on my channel showing you all how to do it with no leave out. And I also just showed you guys how amazing the cap is because it is breathable. So it's perfect for the spring and summertime. Your scalp will be able to get access to oxygen and be able to breathe. This unit is also very versatile in that you can wear it with the middle part and a side part. And y'all, the styles that I'm going to show you in this video, like literally ditch the sew-ins. You don't even need them. You could just get a V-part and do all the things. Now, y'all already know before I install my units, I always like to co-wash them first. So I'm going to do that now. I'm using the Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner and also my Denman brush to detangle the curls and everything. I did that part off camera. Right now, I'm going to show you all how I go about shaping the unit a little bit and then also applying my stylers. This is what the texture looks like after being freshly washed. And yes, it's a little cold. So right now I'm going to shape the unit, and you don't have to do this because it's already great right out of the package, but I always like to do this to all of my units just to give them a little special touch. I'm going to let you all watch this process and then I'll come back on in a moment.
Yeah, I'ma do it all in bold, bold, big letters cause I'm bold, bold, on the map round the globe, globe. Yeah, we putting on a show, everybody gonna know. It's that round the clock, never stop, going for the gold, never sleeping on my dreams. Yeah, I'm really trying to grow.
So now that I finished shaping the hair, I'm going to apply my stylers. I'll be using the Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner along with the Lotta Body Mousse. I like mixing the two for this texture of hair. So I'm going to do that. And I'm also going to coil the hair around the ends at the end of the process. All right, y'all. So now it's time to prep my leave out. And I'm sure you all can clearly tell that my hair texture is very different from the hair texture of the wig. But I'm going to show you all how to fix that. I saw this hack on TikTok and I was like, oh my goodness, why didn't I think of this? But I'm going to show you all in a moment. So right now I'm just taking out the area that needs to be left out. I'm going to part along the side. You don't necessarily have to leave any hair out on the side, but if you want to be able to pull your hair back, I'd recommend leaving some out just in case.
On the gas, got a new drive, we already making headlines. Gotta do it cause I'm bold, bold, big letters cause I'm bold, bold, on the map round the globe, globe. Yeah, we putting on a show, everybody gonna know. I'ma do it all in bold, bold, bold. Yeah, bold, bold, I'ma do it all in bold, bold, bold. Yeah, you don't need to zoom in, I'ma do it all in bold. Yeah, you know I'm in that zone. Spotlight, strike a pose.
Alright y'all, so now that my natural hair is prepped, I'm going to begin installing the unit. For a V-part wig, I would recommend using a black stocking cap. Now I'm just going to put the wig on and begin inserting the clips near where my leave out is. Keep in mind that it's a much better idea to create an anchor braid near where your leave out is. I didn't do this, but I wish I had because it was painful later on in the day. So just be sure to create a cornrow braid here and on the other side and do them loosely so that you won't have to worry about as much tension.
Bold, I'ma do it all in bold, bold, bold. Yeah, you don't need to zoom in, I'ma do it all in bold.
All right, now that the clips are in, it's time to fluff the hair out, separate, and then I'm gonna begin working on my leave out.
Get loose.
As I share with you all, my hair texture is not the same as the hair texture of the wig. So on the side right now, I'm just going to put it behind my ear and then I'm going to cover the hair over. And this is a good way to conceal the two different textures. All right, so now it's time to tackle the middle section. If my hair was the same texture as this wig, this would literally be all that I needed to do. Is just take my hair, pull it over, and just blend it in with the hair. But because it's a different texture, I'm going to show you all a really good hack to make my hair blend with his hair. All right, so this is what it looks like currently. Not too bad, but we can make it better. So the hack that I saw was to take edge control and use it to blend your type 4 hair with a looser texture curl. Now, I'm not sure if this is gonna work. At this point, I was a little nervous because my hair is just nowhere near the texture of this hair, but I tried it, y'all, and listen. This hack is everything. The edge control I decided to try is the Kiss Colors Edge Fixer, and it's in Maximum Hold in flavor watermelon. Y'all, it smells so good. I started by applying it to my ends first, and I was blown away by how much it stretched my hair. And then I proceeded to go straight up the strand all the way to the roots, and y'all, it turned out so well. In the past, when preparing my leave out, I would typically have to apply like 3 products and a lot of them. But now being able to just use one product in order to get my hair nice and stretched, make it nice and sleek, and also shiny, y'all, this is the hack of the century. You have to try this method. And I wasn't sure if it was going to last when I went out into the heat, but it actually did with how I styled my hair. So this is definitely a win-win.
It must be the way I walk. It must be the way I talk. You know I got something to say, and I can keep going for days. Yeah, call me up if you need a little sauce, baby. Follow me if you get a little lost. I'ma put the money in a toll on the road. You gotta pay the cost to be the boss. Boss up. Come on, boss up. Come on, boss up. Come on, boss up. Never been down on my luck. Boss up. Come on.
And these are the finished results for this style. Are you dying? It looks so good.
Nah, nah. Got what it takes. I don't want a slice, want the whole cake. Make the money move, that's my forte. Then I'ma take off for the whole day. I'm just weighing all my options. Looking at my watch, hit me back when it's popping. I've been on top cause my stock never dropping. And this is for the ones that been watching. Boss up. Come on, boss up.
Now I'm going to show you all some amazing styles that you can do with the wig. From a sleek low ponytail to a claw clip hairstyle to an updo. This wig is just so versatile. I love it so much.
Boss up. Come on, boss up. Never been down on my luck. Boss up. Come on, boss up. Come on, boss up. Come on, boss up. Never been down on my luck.
Now, y'all, this next hairstyle is my favorite. I'm going to show you all how to do a viral TikTok hairstyle. You know, all the girlies are talking about these claw clip hairstyles, and this one is so easy to do with this V part. So I'm going to take hair from both sides, and then I'm going to pull it forward, kind of get it out of the way. And in the back, we're doing sort of a half up, half down hairstyle. So I'm just going to put the middle section into a ponytail, leaving the back section out. Now for the front, we're going to remove the clips and we're going to try to get it as sleek as possible. So at this point, I'm putting the hair behind my ear and adding more edge control as needed. After completing this process, I'm going to gather the hair under my neck just for a little bit. This is going to help me to keep it secure and in place. Now we need to lift the back section so it's out of the way because we're going to take the hair that we pulled forward in the front and we're going to actually put that in a ponytail. So I want to make sure this is out of the way. So I'm going to put a little clip on this area, and then the hair that's in the front, we're going to pull that back and into a ponytail. Now you can tuck the hair under if you desire to, but I didn't decide to do that. So now that we've completed that process, we're gonna remove the clip at the top, let the hair down, and then we're gonna add a claw clip to the area where we have the ponytail. But this could also be a style. It's too cute, right? Y'all, this style is so stunning and it's so perfect for the summertime. When I originally did it, I feel like I put the claw clip a little too low, so I decided to lift it so that it was higher and it looked amazing. I'm in love with this style. This one is by far my fave. Now, when it comes to making sure my wigs are secure in the back, you all have to get these slide-proof bobby pins. They are so good. As you can see, there is a bit of space in the back, but no worries. You just insert the bobby pin and it'll make sure it's super flush to your head and it won't move. It'll be very secure and you'll be able to put it up in the back. I'd recommend adding 2 on both sides. I typically do this with most of my wigs and it works out so well. Now, when it comes to putting it up, you can just add another claw clip and just leave it as is. And I'd recommend tucking the curls that's sticking out in the back. I didn't realize they were sticking out until I started editing, but you could also add a little tussle curls along the side. That would be cute as well. But placing a thin scarf would actually conceal the entire hairline so that you don't see any of the nape area. So you won't have to worry about anybody noticing that it's not your hair. But that's the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Be sure to let me know which style was your favorite and how did you enjoy these hacks that I shared. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications to this unit. I look forward to your comments and feedback. There's also a promo code provided for you all, so be sure to check it out. I love you all and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.